Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out riding today. I went ahead and made a review of that tank bag right there from Rigg Gear. This is also from Rigg Gear. It's their tail bag. This is the RG1050L, and the L stands for Lite. This is actually a super small compact bag. It's kind of like the RG1050 that I had on here, only smaller with a little less features, but a lot less price. So it still carries the same lifetime warranty, super good build quality, just like the RG1050. Just in a light version. So this is going to be a super one to carry if you're a guy that has a dual sport or a small bike, and even if you don't have a rack, because it's so small, you could just put this one on your fender or a small rack. This bag would be perfect for you if you want to just carry stuff and go out light and not have a lot of luggage and a lot of weight. So this would be the bag for you. Super good. This is the Trails End version, just like that's the Trails End tank bag. This is the Trails End. Both light versions of the Trails End tank bag and tail bag. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at this tail bag. All right guys, so on this tail bag, as I said, this is the Rigg Gear Adventure line from Nelson Rigg. This is the RG1050L, which the L stands for Lite. It does have the nice MOLLE webbing on top, so you can strap things on here. Some people put them fuel bottles. You can actually carry water bottles or whatever in the pouch, and they actually sell those too. I do not have some of those, but I would definitely like for them to send me some of those to review. I've always got these. I've never had the bottles to carry on here, so if I had some of them, we could try those out. But this is super cool. This bag is made out of the good Ultramax fabric. It's super nice. It's got UV protection. It's stiff walled, so even if there's nothing in it, it still holds its shape. It don't smash down and look ugly and flat. It mounts to pretty much all the racks or seats you got. You can put it on your seat, your fender, racks, whatever. As long as you can find a way to strap it, you can mount it. So here you got the nice buckles. You just pull it through, tighten them down, you fold up the excess and put it behind this little strap right here. Holds it nice and tight. I always strap mine one forward, one back. That keeps my bag solid front to rear. It does have some D-rings where you can connect some other stuff too, or you could use it to help with strapping. You can see the Ultramax logo here on the front, and then we have the Rigg Gear Adventure logo here on the top rear portion. It does have the water resistant lockable zippers, so it does have a hole here where you could actually put a lock through there. I don't know what you'd lock it for, you know, but I guess you could lock it if you needed to, just to keep an honest thief out. So one thing about these bags too is the zippers are extremely good quality, and this bag carries a lifetime warranty. So if you break one of those zippers, which I never have, they will take care of you. Nice, easy to unzip, nothing to snag on. Unzips real good. You can see the nice mesh pocket with double zippers in the top. Same kind of zippers on the outside, except for they're not lockable. But nice to carry. I carry actually all of my cables for recharging things in here. That's where I carry my cables. And then here I got my GoPro bag. Right now it's not got much in it. It does have my gloves. And of course it does have the X webbing strap in here, so you can put your stuff in here, strap it with this X strap, which is Velcro. Real nice, holds everything nice and solid in here. You can see also that it has the gray inside, and that's so you can actually just, you know, you can see in there better with the gray instead of it being black on the inside. Makes it nice and easy to see your things that you have inside here. But there's a lot of room in this thing for being such a tiny bag. So this bag, it actually measures 9.75 inches long, so 9 3/4, 8.5 inches wide, and 4 inches tall. It actually holds 5.5 liters. Now this bag, like I said, it is 4 inches tall, but it is not expandable. Some of their bags that's more expensive, you can get them, they actually unzip around here and you can expand it up and gain an inch or two on your bag. This one does not expand, but super good bag. It does have a nice rubberized handle here on the back, so you can, when you unstrap the bag, you can carry it real easy. So very good quality bag. If you need something small, you're not going to carry a lot, this will be the perfect choice for you. Pick up my gloves that I just chopped on the ground and stick them back in here. But on most trips, actually, and when I just run back and forth to work or riding in the woods and stuff like this, I don't need a lot. If I can carry this and carry a water bottle, I'm good to go. Carry my charging stuff and my GoPro stuff, and this bag actually would work really good. So it does fit real nice and snug, as I said, with these straps. I really like that. And it also has the reflective piping that Nelson Rigg puts on stuff. So if lights shine on this, it would actually glow in the dark with some light shining on it. All right, guys, so there you go. There's the RG1050L from Rigg Gear Adventure line of Nelson Rigg. Super good, nice little compact bag. Like I said, if you're a person that you ride a lot of woods and dual sport or adventure, small trips, this would be a perfect little bag because it don't take up a lot of room. It's super lightweight, and you can just carry all the small essentials that you need. So I will post a link to this below to Nelson Rigg. And if you go to Nelson Rigg and you spend over 50 bucks, it's going to be free shipping. And if you use my code down below, which is Woodzman 20, and put that in at the checkout, then you're going to save 20% on this thing. So you can't beat the deal. It's a good deal. Check them out. Like I said, lifetime warranty. They carry some of the best luggage. They got all different sizes and styles. And my code down below will work on anything on their website. So just feel free to use it. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.